Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the second chapter, The Tsunami, from your literature book Honeydew. First of all, I want to discuss the word tsunami. The spelling of tsunami is Tsunami, but we will pronounce the word tsunami because T is silent here. Now, let's discuss what is a tsunami. My dear students, a tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. It is caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. Dear students, I hope now you all will able to understand the meaning of tsunami. Now, let's start the introduction of the chapter. This part gives us some important and inspiring incidents. These occurred when tsunami hit some parts of India on 26 December 2004. The stories are from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. First story is about unfortunate Ignatius. He was a manager of a cooperative society. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. sensing an earthquake. Ignatius put the television on the ground to save it from the earthquake. Then all the members of the family rushed out. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. This caused them confusion. They ran but in opposite directions. His wife was swept away. Her two little children, along with her father and brother, were also lost. Thus, Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Second story is about a brave policeman named Sanjeev. Sanjeev managed to save himself, his wife and his little daughter from the waves. Then he heard the cries for help. These were from John's wife. John was the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to save her, but they both were swept away and drowned. Next story is about fortunate Meghna and Almas. Meghna was 13 years old. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She held on to a wooden door and kept floating on it for 2 days. She was brought to the shore by a wave and saved. Similarly, Almas climbed on to a log of wood and fainted. She woke up in a hospital. Both the girls were traumatized after the incident. While Meghna was seen walking on the seashore in days, Almas does not talk about the incident to anyone. Both of them were not noticed by relief helicopters. There is also a story from Thailand. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl who was celebrating Christmas with her family at a beach resort, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck in Thailand, as she had seen the sea behaving in the same way in a video show in her class based on tsunami. She had won a number of awards. The tourists thanked Tilly for leading them away from the beach and her geography lesson that had warned her of the tsunami wave. Before tsunami in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals fled to safety. Elephants ran for higher grounds. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas as they seemed to know what was about to happen. It is believed that animals either possess a sixth sense or have more acute hearing that helps them to hear or feel Earth's vibration. Near about 150,000 people were killed in tsunami in a dozen countries, but not many animals were reported dead. Dear students, now discuss about the theme. The story tells incidents of bravery of people saving others' lives. It talks about loss of families and the pain felt by those left behind, trauma of the incident and how it mentally affected children. It also emphasizes on the sixth sense of animals who could sense the tsunami coming and stayed indoors and run away from the beach. The theme is of tsunami and how it affects people living along the coastal regions. Thank you and have a nice day.